YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. We're going to talk about a little bit about the market, and we're going to talk about some Pepe today. So if you guys like that, make sure that you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. I'm on a mission to hit 100K, and I cannot do that without you guys. So again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. It all helps now. Go. But as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 3.25. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 50 and Bitcoin coming in at a 105.6. We're really starting to see some sell off. Again, we talk about that early in the week fake out, and we were concerned that we were possibly seeing it yesterday, and we definitely are starting to see a breakout today. We also talked about that sideways price action being sometimes a bearish thing. It's a indicator that, again, we need to see a retest of some lower levels. It does look like that might need to be the case. Again, we need to hold above this 105.5 and build some kind of support here. Hopefully Bitcoin can make some kind of double bottom. It's attempting it right now. As you guys could see, the peanut gallery, let's see what they're kind of saying. These guys always have something to say. Somebody said BTC so close to bull run, came and gone already, right? Some people thinking that the bull run is maybe I mean, we were right there, man. We were right there. Somebody says pullback 106 after record monthly closed. Yeah, let's see how we did on the monthly. Actually, saying that we had a record monthly close. This guy's thinking that Bitcoin is currently trading at 105.87, consolidating around after testing 110. He's saying from a technical standpoint, respecting horizontal resistance and under 111. We'll see. So he's thinking that a clean breakout above 111K could push up to 120. I think that's possible, right? But he's saying also failure to hold this 104K range, he thinks will drop down to 98 to 100K, which we've seen before, which I told you guys just in my last video that might be a reality. But honestly, it might even go a little bit lower than that based off of this chart again now with the sentiments looking the way that they are. Powell just sticking a fork in the market today. And again, now we're concerned that, if we do see a retest of 100K, look, we got a shoulder head shoulder forming there. That's not good. We do not want to have a retest of this neckline. That could be an indicator that, again, we need to see a test of a lot lower, cheaper prices. So, definitely something to pay attention to. We're going to continue following it again. We talked about the possibility of a double top already occurring. You guys could see we had a double top here. Is it happening here? Is this mark the top of our cycle? I don't personally think so. I still think that there's room in the cycle. Gave you guys a lot of indicators. Not going to talk about that in this video, those long-term indicators on why I feel like the market is going to make a recovery still this year, because I feel like I'm just beating a dead horse. But I'm going to talk to you guys about some Pepe because, again, that's why y'all here, right? We do have to pay attention to Pepe as well because same pattern, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder forming here on the all-time. And whenever I look at these charts, guys, I'm always starting macro and then I'm getting smaller usually, right? Because, again, you could really see things, how they play out on the long term. And as you guys can see right now, Pepe coin at a very key level right here. This guy's showing it as well, right? We need to hopefully create some kind of a double bottom and start breaking up above some of these levels. He's long on this right here. He's saying that this might be a good buy area. So he has his take profit right here. He has a stop loss set. Again, I'm not somebody that is a big fan of, swing trade and stuff like that. I believe time in the market beats time in the market. I'm looking at for Pepe at a cheaper price. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to buy. But I'm also telling you guys that maybe we do see a cheaper price on Pepe. Again, if the market wants to see some more sell-off, wouldn't be surprised to see this thing down a lot more in price. Again, Pepe went down about 20% this year, but it was making some good recovery, right? Not even that long ago. This was back in May. Pepe was looking like it was going to reach a new all-time high, and now Pepe looking like it might need to retest some lower levels. This guy placing a very, very speculative bet right there, especially at a level like this, because again, Bitcoin can go either way, but I think a lot of people are placing bets on projects that they have a long-term belief in. So again, this guy also saying, oh, well, this guy's saying that Pepe is a pump and dump scam. Somebody's saying, I mean, Pepe's a big coin, man, listed on a lot of exchanges, a lot of trusted exchanges, reputable, right? Binance, Coinbase, a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I don't think it's a pump and dump scam personally. But it's just really dependent on the demand, right? The volume that it gets. It depends on the community. It depends on, yeah, are people looking at Toshi or looking at Pepe coin for 2025, or has this ship sailed? In my opinion, I don't think this ship has sailed. I think that Pepe coin will still go on to do great things. I think it's gonna really take a market recovery. I think it was performing pretty well this cycle so far. So I want to know what you guys think, though. Are you bullish on this? Is this a project that you guys think could still get into the 40 million or 40 billion range again? Um, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.